Come test drive the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, compass, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.